Hi everyone, I'm going to have to put you out a little bit more, aren't I? There we go. No, there, that's better. Okay, so what you see before you is the back side of a photo frame. It's in MDF and I did this pour on it. This is for my own walls. And it dried nicely, but I'm not really fussed with it. So I've decided that I'm just going to do a travelling ring pour and see if I can get something that, you know, takes my eye a little bit better than this one does. And I realise it's bowed, but that's okay too because I don't think I mind it a bit bowed. But once it goes in the frame it'll flatten out anyway, so I'm going to see what happens with it. And I have an empty cup. And I have black and white, which are splash colours. And I'm also trying this from Montmartre, which I haven't tried before. I don't know. Let me see if I can get it in a bit closer for you. Yeah, there, gel medium, and it's a gloss. And I haven't used this one or anything like this before. And you just mix it apparently in with your acrylic paint, which I've done. And so that's my story. I'm just interested to see how it works, because if it's any good, it'll be good. Now, the recipes for these two paints, black and white, you will find below the video under Show More. And there's a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. Hopefully I've got plenty of paint here. A little bit of black on the top. And then I might just do this straight down the centre. That's it. That's its lot. Alright, so, alright, let's just start. Going straight across. And it kind of just made it, didn't it? But that's okay. I'll just let, where are you? Still got some paints in there. There's no silicone in either of these, although look at that, I'm getting plenty of cell activity. Alright, that's looking good, so I might just do this, because I don't want to lose too much of the patterning if it folds over on itself. And you. Okay, and actually I'll bring it up to the paint that I just put on, and then down some. That should be good. Here's hoping. And you do the same. On you go. I'm wondering if I've got enough paint there now. We'll soon find out. So I want it to come down to the end. Back this way. Pull a little bit, throw it back. And do the same here. Right. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Okay. That is really looking nice. Okay, the stupid camera has turned itself off again, and I don't know how much video I actually got in, but this is finished and I have torched it, so maybe you only missed out on the noisy torching. That's my dog. She wants a cookie. She's not having one. And I really like this. It's a lot better than what I first had, and patterns are beautiful. Lots to see in it, and really nice. So it's going to be interesting to see how this one dries. And yes, I saw that little animal, and I will see if I can't pick him up. He's around there like that. Can you see him? I don't know what sort of animal it is, but nonetheless, he's kind of cute. The spirit of the painting. At least that's what I call them. When something like that happens, every now and again I get a little animal or a little face or something. Alright, I'm really pleased with this one. So please give it the thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put videos up into YouTube. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.